If you're planning to buy Hostinger today, don't pay the price you see first, because you could be missing an additional discount. Right now, Hostinger is offering up to 85% off on selected hosting plans. And when you use the special link in the description, you can also unlock an extra 20% discount automatically applied at checkout when eligible. The process is very simple. Click the first link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen. Choose your preferred hosting plan and continue to checkout. You don't need to search for a coupon code, copy anything, or manually enter a promotional code. The additional discount is connected to the special link and is applied automatically when eligible. Now here's something important. When you first open the Hostinger pricing page, you'll already see promotional prices. You might not see the extra 20% discount immediately. Don't worry. Continue to check out and check your final order total before completing the payment. That's where the additional discount is applied when eligible. And if Hostinger is showing prices in another currency, simply click the flag icon at the top of the page, select your country, and the pricing will update. Now let's quickly look at which plan is right for you. If you're starting a blog, creating a personal website, building a portfolio, or launching a small business website, the premium plan is a great place to start. It offers a strong balance between price and features. Depending on the current offer, you can get a free domain on eligible plans, SSL, professional email, one-click WordPress installation, Hostinger website builder, and AI-powered website tools. So you can get many of the essentials you need to launch your website in one place. If you're planning to build an online store, manage multiple websites, or expect your project to grow, consider the business plan. It provides additional resources and can include daily backups and a free CDN. Daily backups can be extremely useful if something goes wrong with your website. If you accidentally delete important content or an update creates an issue, a recent backup can make restoring your site much easier. The CDN can also help improve website delivery for visitors in different locations. And if you're building a larger website or expecting significantly more traffic, you can look at the Cloud Startup Plan. It's designed for projects that need additional performance and resources, and may include features such as priority support and a dedicated IP address. So the choice is simple. Premium is a great starting point for regular websites, blogs, portfolios, and small businesses. Business is better suited for e-commerce, multiple websites, and growing projects. And Cloud Startup is designed for websites that need more resources and performance. Another reason Hostinger is popular with beginners is its custom H panel. You can manage your websites, domains, email accounts, WordPress installation, backups, security settings, and other hosting features from one dashboard. You don't need advanced technical knowledge to get started. Hostinger also provides AI-powered tools that can help you create your website faster. The AI website builder can generate a starting website based on your project details, and you can then customize the pages, text, images, and design. Before purchasing, also compare the available billing periods. If you're planning to keep your website online for several years, a longer-term option can sometimes provide better overall value. When a 48-month plan is available, compare it with shorter options and check both the total price and renewal price before completing your order. And if you're worried about trying the service, Hostinger offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, subject to its refund terms. So if you're ready to start your website, click the first link in the description or scan the QR code now.